Before you start the video, make sure there is plenty of light in the room to avoid things being hidden or unclear. The robot and all the materials we need for the match is clear in the video. You can zoom in and show referee the information about your team, the name of your team, the member of your team, and the match you're gonna perform. Then, you need to paint the entire field and all elements in the match, ensuring that they are set up as required in the rulebook. Please note that you do not include any faces or other irrelevant things might be distracting in the video. Next, the team are able to show their robot for the match in the base. You need to use a ruler to show the size of your robot. The team member then is allowed to introduce and point out the DC motors, controller, and servo motors. After that, you should adjust your camera to make sure the camera shows the whole field, your robot, and the countdown timer. Now you are ready to start the match. Please provide a verbal countdown like we do. 3, 2, 1, go! Then, as the robot performs, your play-by-play narration is encouraged. Tell the camera what that robot is up to. That will be the unchanging view for the entire match. Please do not move or adjust the camera until the match ends. When your robot has completed all possible actions or the time is over, make sure you say out loud for the camera, just as we did, "We are all done now," or "Okay, the match is over." Slowly pan on each model and outcome, focusing especially where you think points were earned, and then filling the score sheet according to your successes or misses. Then you can stop your video. Have fun and good luck to all of you.